Transforming your body in just 1 week is not just a dream, it's a reality with this science-backed 7-day fat loss workout plan. Whether you're a beginner or someone with a bit more experience, this plan is designed to help you shed fat and build lean muscle effectively. Let's dive into what each day has in store for you. On day 1, we kick things off with a full-body HIIT workout. This high-intensity interval training session is perfect for jump-starting your metabolism. You'll be moving through a series of exercises that elevate your heart rate and torch calories. Think burpees, jumping jacks, and mountain climbers, all designed to get your blood pumping and your body ready for the week ahead. Day 2 shifts our focus to the lower body. This lower body focus workout will sculpt your legs and glutes. We'll incorporate squats, lunges, and glute bridges. These exercises not only help in fat loss, but also build strength and definition in your lower body. You'll feel the burn, and trust me, it's worth it. On day 3, we're targeting the upper body and core. This workout is all about building strength in your arms, shoulders, and abs. Push-ups, planks, and dumbbell rows will be our go-to moves. A strong upper body and core are essential for overall stability and strength, which will benefit you in all your workouts. Day 4 is all about active recovery. This day is crucial to prevent burnout and allow your muscles to recover. We'll focus on light activities like walking, yoga, or stretching. This isn't a day to skip. It's an opportunity to listen to your body and keep moving without overexerting yourself. On day 5, get ready for a cardio blast. This workout is designed for maximum calorie burn. We'll incorporate exercises like high knees, jump rope, and sprints. It's intense, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You'll feel energized and ready to tackle the rest of the week. Day 6 is where we focus on strength and tone. This workout will help you build lean muscle. We'll use resistance training with dumbbells or bodyweight exercises. Think deadlifts, shoulder presses, and tricep dips. Building muscle is key to boosting your metabolism and achieving long-term fat loss. Finally, on day 7, we have the total body finisher. This workout is a culmination of everything you've done throughout the week. It's a chance to push yourself one last time and see how far you've come. We'll combine elements from all the previous workouts for a comprehensive session that will leave you feeling accomplished. Remember, while these workouts are effective, pairing them with proper nutrition and hydration is essential for optimal results. Fuel your body with nutritious foods, stay hydrated, and listen to what your body needs. As you embark on this journey, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new fitness regimen. I'm excited to hear about your experiences. Let me know in the comments which day was your favorite and what results you achieved. Let's get started on this transformation together.